In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make WordPress site public. If you've been building your site behind the scenes or working on a draft design, there's a good chance WordPress was set to hide your content from search engines. That's useful while you're developing, but once you're ready to launch, you'll want search engines to be able to find and index your pages. I'll walk you through turning that setting off and making your site discoverable quickly and safely. Start inside your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, look for Settings, then click Reading. This page controls a handful of important front-end behaviors for your site, and it's where WordPress keeps the visibility option for search engines. If you don't see Settings, make sure you're working with an account that has the right permissions to manage site options. On the Reading Settings page, scroll until you find the section labeled Search Engine Visibility. You'll see a checkbox that says something like, "Discourage search engines from indexing this site." If that box is checked, WordPress is currently requesting that Google and other search engines stay away. To make your site public to search engines, simply clear that checkbox. In other words, disable the Discourage search engines option. This setting doesn't change who can visit your site in a browser. People can usually view it either way, but it does signal to crawlers whether they should index your pages. A quick note for context. This toggle adds or removes a noindex directive and related rules that search engines respect most of the time. It's not a guarantee either way, but it's the standard recommended way to control indexing in WordPress. If your site was previously blocked, it may take some time for search engines to come back, recrawl your content, and start showing it in results. That delay is normal. After you've cleared the checkbox, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the settings were updated. That's it. The change is live. If your site uses aggressive caching, give it a moment or clear your cache so the updated directive is consistently served. To recap, the path is simple. Open Settings, choose Reading, disable the Discourage search engines option, and save. From here, continue publishing quality content and let search engines do the rest. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently make your WordPress site public and ready for discovery.